Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our interior design series. Today, we're going to show you how to decorate high-back living room chairs to make them not only comfortable but also stylish and inviting. We'll be using various components to transform these chairs into statement pieces for your home. So, let's get started. To begin, gather your materials. You'll need your high-back living room chairs, along with the following components: frame, backrest, seat, armrests, legs, feet, upholstery, cushions, springs, webbing, frame joinery, back frame, tacking or nailhead trim, welt cord, tufting, padding material, reclining mechanism, swivel base, decorative wood accents, and back cushion. Start by inspecting your chair's frame and making any necessary repairs. Next, ensure that the springs and webbing are in good condition, providing the necessary support for a comfortable seat. Now, let's focus on the upholstery. Choose a fabric that complements your room's decor. Begin by draping the upholstery over the chair and securing it using a staple gun. Make sure it's tight and wrinkle-free. For added elegance, consider tufting. Create tufted patterns by pulling the fabric tightly and securing buttons or knots to give your chair a luxurious look. Add decorative details like tacking or nailhead trim. These can be placed along the edges of the chair's arms, backrest, and seat to enhance the chair's aesthetics. Place your cushions strategically for comfort and style. Consider using contrasting colors or patterns to make the chair pop. Don't forget about the backrest. Ensure that it's properly aligned and secured to the frame. If your chair has a reclining mechanism, test it for functionality. For chairs with a swivel base, make sure it rotates smoothly. This feature can add versatility and functionality to your space. To truly personalize your chair, consider adding decorative wood accents. These can be carved or turned and should match the overall design of your room. Finally, add a back cushion for extra comfort and style. This not only provides lumbar support but also completes the overall look of your high-back living room chair. And there you have it. Your high-back living room chair has been transformed into a beautiful and comfortable piece of furniture. Remember to use your creativity and personal style when decorating your chairs. Thanks for joining us today, and happy decorating. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. To learn more, visit rofhome.com.